Hey guys, today we're making sweet corn vegetable soup, which is both easy and healthy. Start with 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan on low flame. Spread it out. Add in chopped carrot, 3 chopped French beans and 1 tablespoon chopped onion, and then saute it on low flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you switch off the flame and set it aside. Then in a vessel, take 2 cups of water. Turn on the flame to low and let the water boil. Meanwhile, in a bowl, take 2 teaspoons of cornflour and add in 2 tablespoons water and stir it till it forms a lump-free paste. After the water boils, add in the vegetables along with half cup of sweet corn kernels. Give it a stir. Let it cook on medium flame for about 5 minutes. Then cover the vessel and let cook for more 5 minutes till the vegetables are cooked completely. The vegetables should be soft and crunchy to bite. Then add in the cornflour paste. Stir it. Then let the soup boil and thicken. Then add in half teaspoon black pepper or white pepper powder. Stir it. Add in half teaspoon of sugar and salt to taste. Give a quick stir. Then add in 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. Stir. And finally add 2 tablespoons spring onion greens. Give a final stir and then switch off the flame. And that's it, your soup is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy. It's really filling and just tasty. Do check out my channel and other videos and subscribe if you like them. Thanks for watching. Bye!